You secured a deal.
Yes.
Yay. Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's for 1.5% equity.
Yes.
And you got 1 whole crore for it. That's incredible.
Yes.
And you got 2 sharks.
Yes.
For the price of 1. Tell us about the whole experience, the negotiation, and how did you finally get that?
I mean, it was incredible. So, of course, what you see on TV is a short excerpt. It went on for longer, almost 2 hours. So that's a surprising fact that
Yeah.
a lot of people don't know, is that it's not that short, right?
Uh-huh.
You're going through effectively a 2-week evaluation process condensed into 2 hours, right?
Correct.
So they're going to ask you questions. I think that I'm glad that I held my ground to the point that I did, but I'm also glad that Aman and Namita saw enough value to come to the number that I was also. Sort of we met in the middle is what
Yeah.
I'd say. One of the biggest learnings that I went away from with Shark Tank was how to be so gracious to competitors. A lot of the prep and planning that I did before going on to the episode was thinking about what the kind of questions were that she would ask me, because she's an expert, right? She
Yes.
knows exactly what she's doing. But the grace with which she, dealt with me despite being in the same line of work was incredible. Actually, they asked a lot of tough questions.
That's
whether
their
it
job,
needed-
right?
Yeah,
They need to.
But I think they were also very receptive to my perspective, which is
Nice.
very important.
When you built your pitch, what was going through your mind before you built it, and what actually happened? Because sometimes what happens is, when you're walking the path before, you're overthinking, like you said, that they were really gracious, but you were prepared.
Yeah.
So you're prepping, you're stressed about, this one will ask me that.
Yeah.
And then it turns out to be, okay, it was not as bad.
Yeah.
Was that literally what happened?
Yeah, I mean, I think I must have watched 150 pitches. When I got the call, you get like a 5-day heads up or something. I wanted to understand the kinds of questions most
Yeah.
people get. And I do have a benefit because I have done a lot of VC pitching in my life. And I've been through some really bad pitches and I've been through some really
Really
great
good
pitches.
ones, yeah.
So I knew how bad it could go if it goes bad. I knew
Yeah.
how good it could go if it goes good. And I had a Shark Tank notebook. I made maybe
Nice.
200 questions in that, and I had an answer to every question.
Wow.
I was very happy with the outcome because I think I tried to anticipate whatever was going to
Yeah.
happen.
Prep pays off, for
Yeah,
sure.
it does. For sure.